Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bank of America Merchant Services setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Bank of America Merchant Services website. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the home page. If you are a new user, select Enroll Now to create your account. Enter your business information as prompted, including your tax identification number. Provide your business's physical address and contact details. Choose a username and password that meets the security criteria. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Submit. Once enrolled, log into your account using your new credentials. Locate the Merchant Services section on the dashboard. Select Set Up Terminal if you're using a card reader. Follow the instructions to download the necessary software for your terminal. Connect your card reader to your computer or mobile device. For online services, navigate to the E-commerce Solutions section. Choose the payment gateway that fits your business needs. Fill in your website information and select your payment processing options. Once you've finished setting up, save your changes. Test the system with a small transaction to ensure everything works properly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help Center for troubleshooting. You are now ready to begin processing payments with Bank of America Merchant Services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.